Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about specifying table and columns in SQLite database query method. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Specifying the table and columns. The simplest type of database query you can create is to return all the records for particular columns without specifying criteria. To do this, put the name of the table as the first parameter and the string array of the column names as the second. As an example, here's how you would use the query method to return the contents of the name and description columns from the drink table. Here, put each column you want back as a separate value in a string array. This query only uses the first two parameters, hence the null values. The query returns all the data from the name and description columns in the drink table. Restrict your query by applying conditions. You can apply conditions to your database query by specifying what values particular columns should have using the third and fourth query parameters. As an example, here's how you would say you only want to return records from the drink table where the name of the drink is latte. This means where the contents of the name column is latte. The third parameter, name equal to question mark, means the name should equal some value. The question mark symbol is a placeholder symbol for this value. The query uses the contents of the fourth parameter to say what the value should be, in this case latte. The query returns all the data from the name and description columns in the drink table where the value of the name column is latte. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.